Elon Musk suggests that Tesla electric hatchback or a compact electric car will be made at Giga Berlin. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Haryan from TalkNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel, join our community, and ring the bell so you don't miss my next story. Tesla CEO Elon Musk says that the automaker might design and engineer a small electric hatchback in Germany. That means to be built at Giga Berlin. Earlier today, if you remember, Electric reported that Volvo bought a Tesla Model Y in the United States and brought it to Sweden, probably for reverse engineering. Commenting on the story, Elon Musk said, "Berlin Model Y is the one to watch. That is a revolution in automotive body engineering, finally." The CEO seems to imply that Volvo should instead take a look at the version of the Model Y that Tesla plans to build at Giga Berlin, since it will be greatly improved, though it's not available yet, so they can't really do that. Following the comment, Elon Musk was asked if Tesla could build a smaller European-style hatchback, and the CEO of Tesla responded, saying, "Probably a good one to design and engineer in Germany." He is giving us a hint that Tesla may design and engineer a small, cheaper hatchback compact car in Germany. I think in Berlin they're going to have a design studio and make them at Giga Berlin. At the very least, it sounded like Musk is interested in the idea. Lately, the CEO has been discussing not only building cars where they are building new factories in Germany and in China, but also designing and engineering cars in those markets. In China, Tesla has been taking design submissions for a Chinese-made small electric cars. Musk already announced plans for Tesla to open a European design center in Germany. Now it sounds like the design and engineering team that Tesla plans to hire at the location could end up designing a small electric hatchback, small compact Tesla cars. Friends, Tesla fans have been asking for a small electric hatchback for years now, and I think this is the first time that Tesla CEO Elon Musk has openly talked about the possibility of a small electric hatchback. It looks like we might be getting it from China based on the drawing that the automaker released for a Chinese-designed Tesla vehicle, but now it sounds like this new German-designed electric hatchback Tesla car could be a whole separate vehicle program. We're going to look forward and see it, and as soon as something comes up, I'm going to bring it to you. So if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel, because as you can see from our channel, we bring Tesla stories several a day. Now, these vehicles are also exciting because they likely mean that Tesla is thinking about going down market from Model 3, which is something that Elon has pushed against in the past. Could you imagine a Tesla 5-door hatchback with 250 miles of range starting at $30,000? That would be a wonderful idea, or even cheaper. Tesla could also offer a dual motor performance version for $40,000 or plus to create a hot hatchback that would just be an autocross machine. I basically want Tesla to do its own version of the Zoe RS hot hatch that Renault has been teasing for years but never released, and Zoe RS looked really nice. In the meantime, Elon Musk is hyping up the upcoming German-built Tesla Model Y, which he claims is going to be a revolution in automotive body engineering. In what way? We're going to see, but if you know anything about this, in what ways it may be the Model Y may be a revolution, please let us know in the comment section below. As I explained above regarding Volvo importing a Model Y in Europe to reverse engineer it, the electric SUV is Tesla's first vehicle that will only launch in Europe and China once it is being locally produced there. The new production capacity being deployed at brand new factories is giving Tesla the opportunity to improve on the SUV, which is currently being produced at the automaker's Fremont factory for the North American market. CEO Elon Musk has talked before about Tesla building, quote, the most advanced paint shop at Gigafactory Berlin in order to release new multi-layered paint options for Model Y. Remember once he tweeted that Tesla will have the most advanced paint shop at Giga Berlin. Now Elon Musk is teasing, quote, a revolution in automotive body engineering, end of the quote, with the Model Y electric crossover produced in Germany at Giga Berlin sometimes early next year. The CEO wrote on Twitter today saying exactly this: Berlin Model Y is the one to watch. That is a revolution in automotive body engineering, and put in parentheses, finally, end of the quote. In a follow-up comment, he hinted at improvements in casting for Model Y, saying even more. We previously reported on the Model Y built in Fremont, featuring massive cast parts in the rear of the SUV, enabled by a mega casting manufacturing breakthrough. Musk said that Tesla managed to turn what was 70 parts in Model 3 into 2 parts in Model Y. However, the CEO said that this major improvement is only the beginning. Tesla plans to make more extensive use of its new mega casting technology throughout its electric vehicle lineup. A patent application filed last year revealed this new casting machine that Tesla is using to build Model Y. Now Musk appears to say that the Model Y vehicles that will be built at Gigafactory Berlin are going to make more extensive use of this technology. Tesla currently aims to start production at the new plant in July 2021. I assume that the same improvements are going to make their way to Fremont and North American Model Y vehicle eventually. For now, Tesla relies too much on the production at the location to disrupt it with major changes to body manufacturing. However, I would assume that the same technology is going to be released at Gigafactory Shanghai, where Tesla is also building new production capacity for Model Y vehicles for the Chinese market. Friends, what do you think? Let us know in the comment section below, please. I think it would be just fine with a European Tesla hatchback of 25,000 euros and without insane specs nobody needs in everyday driving. Imagine a Tesla hatchback for Europe, which costs 25,000 euros before incentives, or even 30,000 euros. It would be a great success in Europe. Absolutely no insane specs are needed, but also in the Tesla's tradition, no slow car either. Here is what Tesla could do at Giga Berlin as a starting benchmark. Using the Volkswagen ID.3 as a benchmark would be a good starting point for Tesla's stab at the European compact hatchback market. In many ways, this will be the car to beat in that segment. After examining the ID.3 carefully, Tesla can then ask themselves, can we do this better or cheaper, or both? That's where Tesla's battery project could make a difference here. I don't expect Tesla to beat the ID.3's entry price by much, perhaps just a symbolic $1,000 or so, but I do expect them to offer more range and faster acceleration for the money. At Tesla, we don't make slow cars, they say. A higher max charging rate too is a good idea. I'm guessing maybe 100 volts per hour. Or Tesla could use the original Model 3 as a benchmark for its European Giga Berlin made hatchback compact car, which was supposed to be a hatchback. Model 3 was supposed to be a hatchback. I was watching the live video when they first showed the car, and I had another tab open to the Tesla reservation page, but when I saw the Model 3 trunk, I decided not to reserve one, says one friend. It's not me personally. He says his boss has one and complains that since the hinges are still placed where they would have been for a hatch, but they modified it to make a trunk. If someone opens the trunk in the winter when there is snow on the back windshields, all the snow slides into the trunk. So does Elon actually say that Tesla will build a hatchback designed and built at Giga Berlin? I think Musk was inferring that Tesla might design a hatch for the European market in some future design studio in Germany. I think that design studio is going to be in Berlin, in the Gasometer, and we have a report on that at Torque News. The question was directed straight toward him. The Europeans have or will have access to a number of compact hatchbacks from other manufacturers like Volkswagen, Seat, Renault, and etc. So why would Tesla not consider that segment as well, even if still a few years off? What do you think? Let me know, friends. Let's continue the discussion in the comment section below. In the meantime, this is Armen Haryan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel. Ring the bell when you subscribe so you don't miss my next Tesla story, which is going to be what Tesla did in China and how it's going to show us what the future global automotive market is going to be. And I'll see you in our next report. God bless you. Take good care of each other. Spend a lot of time with your families and children. And I'll see you in our next report. Peace be with all of you.